Hello kids, welcome to Meditation 20 of the Tao and Dudeist Te Ching. This meditation also comes to us from the Cheyenne campus of the Nevada Community College system. And it's entitled Common People. If you would be at peace, be aware of great knowledge. That which is not feared by the common people is probably not worth worrying about. There is a vast difference between book learning and true knowledge of the Tao. Common people are joyful. They celebrate feast days and hold festivals in springtime. Scholars scowl like babies that have not learned to smile. They look forlorn like homeless wanderers. Common people have plenty. Scholars are never satisfied. Common people are vibrant with common sense. Scholars seem dull and confused. Common people are useful. Scholars are useless. Knowledge of the Tao, how vast. I am like a sailor far from shore, adrift on an endless ocean. Oh, how I long to be as a child, suckling milk from Mother Tao. Or as Styx put it, sometimes I feel like a man in the wilderness. I'm a lonely soldier off to sea. Sorry for all the fumbling around. I'm trying to get my pen. Vaping, wonderful invention. And Dwayne Yutzi puts Meditation 20 this way. Abandon learning. It brings only sorrow. What is good and what is bad? Must I fear what others fear? The limit to our ignorance is endless. Yet there is endless joy to be had. The world is like a great spring feast. I take in the views from high above it all. Calm, alone, and expressionless as an unborn infant, with nothing to do and nowhere to go. The people indulge in an abundance of wealth, while I appear to have nothing. The people are sharp and clear-minded, whereas I seem confused. The people are confident and assertive, but I look dull and withdrawn. The people are gainfully employed, yet I remain stubbornly idle. My mind is foolish, indeed rather vulgar. Aimless as the restless winds, I seem to have no direction at all. I suppose I am rather different from everyone else. Yet I am content. Everything I need is right here. And the dude's version of all of this: too much higher education keeps you from getting high. Many learned men have disputed this. Sooner or later, we're going to have to face the fact that they're goddamn morons. Can't be worried about that shit. The world is as wild as a Jackie Treehorn garden party. But I take it easy and abide, like a little Lebowski before it learns to dig. Living alone, not much to tell. The achievers are fucking loaded, but I'm unemployed. Also, my rug was stolen. And my car got dinged up a bit. It was lodged against an abutment. The achievers have never been more certain of anything in their life, whereas I'm rambling again. The square community is strongly commended, whereas I throw out ringers for ringers. Aimlessly as a wave drifting over the bottom of the ocean. That's right, dude. 100% uncertain. Whereas my career has slowed down a little lately, the people are busy as I know you are. Let me explain something about the dude. He is sustained by the tree of life, not the dispensary. Eitz Chaim Hey, as the ex used to say. Some notes about this chapter. Surely one of the most touching and inspiring passages in the Tao Te Ching, this reads like a paean to all the romantic hermit in all of us. Well, parts anyway. It's no secret that peer pressure can suck the joy out of life. When you're constantly trying to keep up with the neighbors, you hardly have time to stop and gather up rosebuds or any other kind of buds. Rather than looking down upon the masses with envy from his quiet perch, we detect that the speaker harbors a wistful melancholy and also a certain determination to remain dissimilar and enjoy the freedom that results when you stop struggling to conform. When the stranger says that the dude fits right in, the effect is highly comical upon first viewing. The dude doesn't seem as if he fits right in at all. Going shopping in a bathrobe is far from fashionable. In being able to flourish far from the cultural center of gravity, only someone like the dude can get the proper angle on things and thus act as the much-needed man for his time and place. Someone who can provide a corrective influence against our cultural or social missteps. I recommend the Al Stewart song, A Man for All Seasons. What the dude fits right into, then, is an uninhibited emptiness, one which has been primed for someone unique as himself to occupy. What he fits into is a hole that has opened up in our world. Only an outsider like the dude can acquire the perspective to survey our society and present a new way of thinking, like the very same hermit depicted in his bittersweet passage about from the Tao. His failure to conform is actually a triumph of perception. Conformity is death. Peace and long life. That's getting harder and harder every day. Must be the arthritis. Take care. We'll see you in Meditation 21.